Hello, students. Welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology for nurses. And today we are going to learn about a coping method with frustration and conflict. Definitely, now we studied conflict and frustration. Now, frustration is nothing but which will obstacle your reaching to the goal, and conflict is emotional tension what you experience when you had opposed your contradictory wishes or desires. Now, how you will deal with that, that's really a very important matter. Now, first, you must understand the source of your frustration. What's the root cause that you are facing frustration? Once you understand that, you can try to change that. In case if you're not able to change, you can accept it and adjust it to that. Then, you always have to make a right decision of your life. Now, before you make a decision, you should have a detailed information of the incident, what happened, and again you should have a check with the incident or review of that incident. So that will give you an idea to take a right decision. Always you should have a positive look of your life. You should think positive. Whatever happened with your life, you always should have a positive outlook. Now, a definitely individual experience lot of negative feelings. What you will do with that? Now here you must learn to verbalize your feelings. You must learn to speak up. You talk to your friend or you talk to your good neighbor or anyone whom do you feel really comfort. You must learn to disclose your feelings, verbalize your positive as well as negative feelings. So that will help you to balance your emotional state. Now, to express this feeling, to make a decisions or to think about any matter, to get adjusted, definitely you can take the help of someone who is really near and dear to you. You can take a help of your teacher, your elder, your sister, your brother, or you can take help of any senior person who is really experienced in their life. Now, their decision, their guidance, their suggestion will help you to make certain choices, some decisions, or make yourself change your mind to get adjusted to the situation. Then, what stigma we got in a society, like in case if I meet any counselor or psychiatrist that I am having a psychiatric illness. No, it's not true. There is no harm in meeting any counselor. So whenever it's required, you can meet a counselor and you can take the help which will really make you to feel comfortable and you feel much more better. Now, in case if you're not able to find the root cause of your frustration, always you can change your attitude towards that. You can develop such an attitude which will make you to get adjusted to the environment. So you must learn a quality of adjustment. Now, whenever you set a goal and you are working hard to reach your goal and you are not reaching, you are always consistently getting failure in reaching a goal. In that case, you can make use of a technique that you set a substitute goal and try to reach that. When you reach that substitute goal what you made, and definitely you're finding much more relaxation. You get a confident, you feel better that you reached the goal. Develop a self confidence. It's very important that you must trust about yourself, your strength, your weakness. You must aware about that, your strength, your weakness, what you want, what you don't want, what is your behavior and how do you react. Everything you should have your own idea about yourself, and you should have a structure in mind about your personality, and that will help you to develop this self confidence. Then frustration can come anytime. It will not give an invitation that tomorrow I am going to come to your home. Frustration will not give an invitation. So anytime you may experience frustration. So that's the reason you must always keep yourself prepared. So this preparedness is really very important in life. Anyone can experience any kind of conflict, any kind of frustration at any point of their life. So always you must prepare yourself physically as well as mentally to face any kind of situation. Now, always learn to express your emotions in an accepted environment, so that your emotion may be positive or negative, but you are delivering your emotion in a right atmosphere so that it is accepted by others. Always think twice before you make any decision. You can take help of anyone while making a decision. Now, you might have done any mistake, or you might have that guilty feeling. In that case, you must genuine enough to open up with your mistakes and accept that, because definitely all are learning from their mistakes. So you must strong enough, bold enough to take a responsibility of a mistake what you have done. Then, in case of frustration, when you're not able to solve that or face that, you can learn the quality of compromising, so that you get adjusted, compromise with the situation, and you learn with that. You learn to live with that, so that that will give a kind of mental peace. Now, one more thing, to keep yourself engaged or get the satisfaction, you can also get involved in activities like listening music, yoga, doing exercise, jogging. See, these activities which will give you a complete relaxation. Now that will help you to get a calm and soothing effect to your mind. So altogether you're trying to cope with the situation so that you are able to have control over the situation. Never the situation should control you, so that your life will be disgusting. So always you should use all your defense mechanism, your capabilities, your calibers, your knowledge, skill, experience, everything to control the situation, so that you are able to cope with the feeling of what the feeling we call frustration and conflict. So this will help you to deal with these two conditions. I hope you understood. Please take care of yourself and keep reading, so that you can add little more point in this question. You can add little more answers in this question. So keep reading, take care of yourself, and keep watching, so that I'll meet you in next class with a new topic. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you all.